What is up, guys? Hogan Noob Gamer back at it again with some more math tutorials. Now, today is subtraction, another thing added on to addition that you will use for your literal entire life. So when your teachers say that, do not say they are lying. But so it's basically reverse addition. So we would do 2 minus 1. So we have 2 dots here, and then we take away 1 dot. And then how many dots do we have left? 1 dot. So our answer is 1. Yeah, that is literally what subtraction is. So a better way to do it is 10 minus 6, let's say. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. And then how many dots left? 1, 2, 3, 4 dots left. So our answer is 4. And there's also other ways to do it. Like for the digits under 10, you can use your hands here. So we do like 10 minus 6. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then there's 4 fingers left, so the answer is 4. But for things like 15 minus 7, we would that like 1, 2 are all of our dots. And minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that equals 8. Oh, I was terrible 8, but yeah. So that was subtraction. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.